Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to find purchase history on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your purchase history on Steam, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I have already logged into my Steam account on the Steam app. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a username available for us over here where my mouse is currently hovering. Click over there and this kind of drop down menu will appear. Again, you'll be required to click on the account details option over here just below the view my profile, and we'll land on this interface where you can see the view purchase history option available for us. Now click over there and this is the place where you will be able to find your purchase history of your Steam account. And with that being said guys, this is how to find your purchase history on Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.